Hello, if you could subscribe to my channel or leave a like or leave a comment, I'd appreciate it very much. Thank you very much for watching. So today now we have before Draven we have a Ts90 here, but the linkage inside it for the lift and three-pin linkage and has broken a part of it, and it's a bit of a common thing for that to go in, and it won't lift or anything in. So we've had to take the lift off and the actual top casting off, but we've just jacked the cab up so we didn't have to take the cab off, and we barely got it out really with engine cleaning. So I'm making this attachment now for putting back on. And so what it is, these are for electric poles again. I've cut those for years and I've got a pin ready-made holes in, bit of channel iron, then I needed a 2-inch spacer at the back, but I didn't have any 2-inch box, so I just welded 2-inch to each other in. And that's it. I drilled, the plate there was on the channel iron already then. I drilled a couple holes there for say 5000 now. You know, 5000 now seat bolts on the casting. The newer sort of Ford like 40 series TS, we've still got the holes there, but we use it for the earth for the cab then, you know, because the rubber mounts in. So you have holes on the top, and you can just there's one bolt there, and so you can bolt that down. And I need to take a bolt out and actually see what size I need them. I just done them small hole, pilot hole, and I can just drill them out a bit bigger. And so I'll show you now how this fits on the engine crane and what it'll do. So that's the attachment on the crane, and you see the spacer at the back. Just make it so it's level about where you want it, and the casings there. So we'll repair that, pull it back over, bolt that on, and you can just slide the pin in with that. So as you can see, instead of this thickness going under, it'll be this thickness and it'll bolt straight. So it won't have straps to have slack in them. So we can put in there. That's some 2-inch box there. You can see it's acting as safety, so I couldn't take it out to use it then. So got it right up, but it's quite tight just under the floor there. So with a smaller channel now, it should go in much easier and have a bit more room to play with. Okay, thank you for watching, and that's it from me for now. And I might take a picture later on and add it here or here, around here. And so thank you for watching, and goodbye from me for now. And